all new light from Hardall. It's a solar decoration light. It has got a disc shape and it could be used as a path light or a ground light. The light comes in an attractive color box which is very detailed. You get all the details about the light from the box itself. The box also gives you the general instructions and tells you how to use the light. The light comes wrapped in a bubble wrap for protection. This is the ground stake. The solar panel of the light is protected with a thin plastic sheet which you can remove. The brand name and the on-off switch. This switch is used to turn the light on and to change the modes. This is the ground stake. You can just insert the tip of the stake into the ground to fix the light. To assemble the light, you just need to insert the end of the ground stake into the circular hollow space on the back of the light. Now let's see how the light works and how to change the color modes. This is the button with which you can turn the light on and change the modes. If you're testing the light during daytime, then make sure you cover the solar panel before you switch on the light. For each press, you get a new mode, and the first 4 modes are steady modes, and the 5th mode is the multicolor or color changing mode. The last press turns the light off. This is how the light looks during night time. The first mode is the white steady mode. The second mode is the red steady mode. If you press it again, you get the green steady mode, which is the 3rd mode. On the 4th press, you get the blue steady mode. And the 5th mode is the multicolor mode, and the light keeps glowing with different colors and it automatically changes. The light gives you multiple vibrant colors. The last press turns the light off. The light charges automatically during day and turns on automatically during night. It is weather resistant with an IP65 level of protection. Hardall disc light completely suits the purpose of decorating your lawns, gardens and pathways, and it gives